Meihan parking. Not really, that's not what it's called, but it's the closest one to Meihan. We got unimpressed Rob right here. Always unimpressed, no matter what he does. Roll a car, he's still unimpressed. Alright, we're gonna do the pit walk video again. Alright, this guy, everything open. Alright, right here, these are all D1 Lights drivers. We got Seimi Tanaka, D1 GP in his practice car. Oh, we got N-Body right here. We got Fujio-san. There is S13. Super sick, super clean. That's like max style points right there. That's the first time I've ever seen this year. That's nuts. I want to. Oh, he took his GT wing off. I wonder how that's gonna drive today. This thing is sick. Rear wheel drive. Oh, all right. One class is already in. Next class is up. Next class is up. Hey, this guy was driving Motorland too. Remember, he was doing pretty good. Yeah. All right. Everybody is back in. And then we got the GB Sports guy, he's back again. So we have Utsumi-san over there. It is, I guess, new practice S15 because he used to have a 1 via. And then now, Kawabasa, D1 GP driver, just walked up in his 180. Shit is gonna get real today.
And you say Queen City.
Look at that. It's sick.
Side to
out the van.
Ah, 思ったより軽症。
傾斜良かった。
思ったより軽症。
よかった。
これ当てへんと思う。思いっきり一発でいったよ。あっといてよかった。
Alright, about to leave. Yeah, not the greatest day. Coupler kept blowing up and suspension. Some of the suspension bolts of the coilovers kept getting loose and camera kept moving, so not the greatest day. And I lost on my aero, but still a good day. Just not a lot of driving. Fucking AIDS. What we got today, this is what we're doing. We're actually just making a bigger notch here because these D-Max D1 spec coilovers, they already come notched, this factory notch, and then they already come with this little plate, holds the bolt in so it doesn't, keeps it from moving back and forth, changing the camera while you're driving. But since the notches aren't big enough to get the camera that I want, to get that front grip on the S15, it's gonna cut it more, notch it more lower, and then instead of having this here, because this is already have these little stoppers to stop it from moving, we're gonna actually get it welded right here, so we just make it a fixed hole, because we don't need to adjust it. You can always just adjust it from here, and this will just be a fixed hole. This is just a factory knuckle, just like to adjust it, drill out the holes of what we want, and that's what we're doing. This is actually the new rear end for the S14, even though it's NA. We got 4.6, two-way, freaking bigger drive shafts. So if you look at here, this side's already done with the coilover notching. So we notched it. Use the same bolt. Usually what people do, they use a S13 bolt. I tried that. I tighten as much as I can and it still moves around into the knuckle, even though how tight it is. Just with those tires and the amount of grip this car has, it just doesn't hold. It just kept moving. Positive and negative camera is just messing up my drifts. So we use the normal S15 bolt and nut, and since we just welded this plate, it's just fixed, not gonna move. You don't have to worry about it anymore. I can forget about it and just drive. So that's pretty much the setup. As you can see, Yeah, here's the master welder right here. Always fixing my crap. We got some spacers for the front of this car, taking off those gate 25 mil, 50 mil. New brake lines, new brake pads for this thing. You just put a screwdriver into the brake rotor. You don't have to step on the brake. Yeah, that's S13. We're gonna get this thing going pretty soon. Brakes are gonna be mint. The car drives mint right now. This one is gonna be done. I gotta change this radiator setup. This one's trash, keeps overheating. We're gonna put a Greddy one in. Put the Greddy one in, change the fan, put an electric fan, a push fan in the front, water sprayers, and this thing should be perfect on the track. I don't have to worry about it overheating, hopefully. But yep. 50 millimeter truss core. Worked pretty good on that, hopefully. That's blitz, but for some reason that sucks ass. This one should work way better. Alright, so we got some gritty clear water. Pretty much like distilled water for our gritty radiator. So yeah, this water works better than just normal anti-freezing coolant in the summer. We just run this and this should stay a lot colder. See how it goes. Alright, this is what we're doing. We're gonna weld that back plate for our LCA stopper. That's what you gotta do. Use that big piece of metal.